Welcome to my channel. Today we are stepping into a world that doesn't just redefine luxury travel, it destroys the definition entirely. I'm serious. This motorhome could replace your house. What you're about to see is far beyond what you imagine when you think of RVs, vans, or even motor coaches. This is mobility fused with mansion-like space, yacht-level architecture, and billionaire-style indulgence. This is the future of living, but on wheels. We begin at the command center, the dashboard and steering wheel. From here, the whole empire moves. The driver's cockpit looks like it belongs inside a private jet combined with a luxury superyacht bridge. You're surrounded by glass panels, digital screens, holographic readouts, and ultra-bright LED ambient lighting that bends across the interior like sculpted lines of light. The steering wheel itself feels like a precision instrument. Thick leather, tight stitching, integrated controls, and that unmistakable sense of power that reminds you this machine is not just big, it's monumental. Navigation screens stretch across the dash, showing real-time terrain, weather, speed data, satellite mapping, and even system health diagnostics. At the center is a fully digital cluster that adjusts layouts for comfort mode, touring mode, or long-haul mode. This cockpit doesn't feel like a vehicle meant for the road. It feels like command of a luxury vessel, designed to cross continents with grace and authority. Move just past the cockpit, and you enter the first domain of living luxury, the first bedroom. This space alone could qualify as a hotel suite for most people. Floor-to-ceiling panels, soft ambient lighting, rich fabrics, and a king-sized bed that sits elegantly between storage areas crafted from metallic composites and wood finishes. The windows pour in natural light, giving a panoramic city view while parked, and a rolling cinematic landscape when you're crossing highways or scenic terrain. Shelving units are sculpted, hidden compartments maximize space, and the bedding feels designed for extreme comfort during long journeys. Beneath the bed, integrated drawers slide out silently, and overhead storage is engineered to hold more than you'll ever need. The entire vibe is quiet, warm, and disturbingly comfortable, like a high-end apartment, except this one moves. Just steps away, we find the first washroom. Minimalist yet extravagant. The sink basin is carved from a single block of composite stone, with chrome fixtures and soft backlighting that kisses the edges of the mirror. The shower stalls are glass enclosed with rainfall shower heads, temperature control, and circulation fans to keep humidity low. The toilet is compact yet elegant, and the walls are lined with waterproof polished textures that feel both modern and futuristic. You could easily forget that you're in a motorhome. It feels like something you'd find in a luxury penthouse or modern boutique hotel. Air filtration, scent diffusers, heated tile flooring, it's all built in. Then comes the first kitchen, and it's not a gimmick. This kitchen rivals full residential setups. Granite countertop slabs, induction cooking surfaces, convection oven, microwave, refrigerator, coffee station, and storage for cookware and dry goods. Cabinets glide with hydraulic hinges, and a smart inventory system tracks items you store inside. Soft lighting runs beneath the counters, illuminating textures and materials that signal wealth without shouting it. Whether you want to prepare a gourmet meal while parked overlooking a canyon or grab a late-night snack on the move, this kitchen handles it all effortlessly. For a mobile residence, it is absurdly complete. Now we move deeper into the structure, and the scale becomes surreal. 2 more bedrooms await, each designed with its own personality and function. The second bedroom feels like a guest suite for high-profile friends or family. It features a queen bed, workstation, pop-up television, and closets that light up as soon as they open. The textures move from matte leather to woven fabric, with acoustic dampening to ensure silence even when the vehicle is traveling. The third bedroom pushes into personal luxury territory, ideal for kids, teens, or staff. It offers bunk layouts or convertible bed setups, lighting customization, and integrated charging points, making it modern and multifunctional. These 2 bedrooms together prove something powerful. This motorhome isn't for short trips, it supports full-time living. With multiple bedrooms comes the expectation of more washrooms, and this machine delivers. The second washroom is larger, closer to spa size than RV size. Double sink layout, full-height mirror, floating vanity, illuminated shelving, towel warmers, rainfall shower, and surface materials that feel as luxurious as a five-star resort. Even the flooring absorbs vibration and reduces sound. The third washroom is smaller but highly functional, optimized for guests and mobility. Storage, lighting, ventilation, and water systems are integrated with an onboard treatment plant to keep everything efficient for long-distance travel. Together, they form a dual washroom system that makes the idea of multiple people living on board completely realistic. We continue into the realm of food, hospitality, and lifestyle. The second kitchen. This one is positioned like a social space, open, wide, and full of opportunities. Think breakfast service in the morning, cocktail bar at night. There's a full refrigerator, freezer, wine chiller, induction burners, convection oven, dishwasher, and storage for glassware and fine dining setups. Countertops stretch longer, seating arrangements appear around it, and lighting shifts depending on the time of day. Cooking here isn't a necessity, it's an experience. It's the kind of place where a traveling chef could prepare full restaurant-grade meals while the world rolls by outside the windows. With dual kitchens operating independently, long journeys become effortless and lavish. Now for the moment that challenges the definition of a vehicle entirely, the last three bedrooms. These rooms are massive by motorhome standards and impressive even by residential standards. Bedroom 4 adopts a master suite feel, king bed, storage cabinetry, hidden closet, and a media wall that controls temperature, lights, blinds, and entertainment through a centralized system. Bedroom 5 mirrors a private guest suite, queen bed, convertible seating, glass panels that overlook the world outside, and acoustic isolation to keep silence absolute. And Bedroom 6 is configured like a lifestyle retreat, customizable to serve as a gym, studio, office, or dedicated sleeping quarters. Each bedroom includes climate zoning, independent sound control, and luxury finishes that signal permanence. The psychological shift is undeniable. After walking through 6 total bedrooms, it's no longer reasonable to call this an RV or even a motorhome. This is a mobile residence, a mansion distributed across multiple levels and compartments, a machine built to challenge what living space can be. And that brings us to the final realization. This motorhome isn't about travel, it's about life. The idea that you can move a household, operate a lifestyle, entertain guests, sleep multiple families, cook full meals, shower comfortably, and enjoy silence and privacy while crossing an entire continent, it's revolutionary. If homes are static and yachts are floating, then this machine proves that the future of mobility might be living, not just traveling anywhere. Thank you for watching videos.